Hey guys, so I got a shelf that was too tall and then I cut off the top part and this is how it looks. So this is the shelf that I cut it from, and now this part I decided that I am going to turn it into a bench. So this thing that you see, I bought it from Think Twice. It's somehow like a beach pad or something. And then I also have this foam mattress that I had used for a previous project, and I want to turn it into a foam mattress so that I can put on that bench, like it becomes like the cushion. So we're going to make the cushion and we're also going to make the cushion cover. So first things, I will rip this thing into two. First, so that I see if it is clean, and then secondly also so that I can incorporate it into the other. So the measurement for this bench was 15 centimeters by 36 centimeters, and I had already removed the one that I bought. Now I am going to cut this foam mattress, and then afterwards I will layer them together. And today I do not have glue, so I'm going to do everything like completely. I'm going to do everything without layering up. So I'm gonna have to come up with a way to attach these layers together and make sure that they hold before I put them on the bench. So now here is me layering them up. As you can see, it's like 4 or 5 layers of this. Yeah, these are the layers. I have already layered them up, and because I didn't have glue, I'm just going to sew it together. I don't think that the sewing bit will literally like hold them together for long, but it will be enough for me now to make a cover and then be able to be able now to put them all together without them moving. So guys, stick around and let us do this together and enjoy some music. So at this point I am making the inner layer, or the insert that I'll put the foam mattress in, and then I'll make another one for the top part. Right now let's make the inner layer. If you're new here, please remember to subscribe, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always coming back to watch my videos, and may God truly bless you. So this is how it looks like after I have put the foam mattress, and now we are going to make the outer cover. It will be a similar fabric that I had thrifted also, and it looks like the tire coffee table that I had made in my previous video. If you have not watched it, you can go back there and watch it. So first I start by attaching the zipper, and then I take one side and I attach the side pieces together, and then I attach the other side, like the bigger side. It's like the upside and the downside and then the sides. So you attach the zipper and then the side, and then now you remain with the ends. You will measure exactly the same amount of do I call it distance? Yeah, you will measure it has to be exact because you want this cushion cover to be very tight. So you cannot make something with an allowance. You have to make it very firm and very straight so that it can fit on your bench or something. So when making this part, please do not add extra inches because it will be loose and it will not look good, like it will look as if it is loose. So here I have already finished. If you have any questions about how I made this, or if it was too fast for you, then you can ask below and I'll be happy to elaborate. And then now I am adding, these are like handles. I did not want to use the same fabric because I don't know because of why, but I just did not want to use it. So I am using these complementary, I think they are like strings. I'll use to tie them at the back so that when you sit on the bench, the foam will not be moving over. And here it is. I have already attached it. I also thought that maybe I can remove it if it doesn't look good at the end of the day and use Velcro instead of using this. But it turned out perfectly fine, as you'll see at the end of the video. So those are strings. I'll tie them at the back of the bench so that the bench is firm, like it doesn't move around. Yeah, these ones I'm gonna tie them at the back of the bench. And yeah, I'm pretty much happy with the results. It came out so fine. I like how it came out. So that's what I was meaning by tying them back. And this is what we have. Just watch the end clip and you'll see how I styled it. And just like that, I have a bench and it looks very aesthetic. It matches with everything in my house. Yeah, and of course it is budget friendly. So if you have something like this or you have a bench at home, this is how you can customize it. Guys, look at how good this looks. I mean, it looks so good. So if you want to make something similar, so that's a tutorial for you. And thank you so much for clicking on this video and for watching it to the end. God bless you so much.